Hi, in this video, we are going to practice 10 questions on general studies. So, these 10 questions are taken from the previous papers of NDA exam question papers. Okay, so let's start. The first question is, which one of the following was composed by Harisena? Option A, Nasik inscription of Gautami Balashri. Option B, Prayaga Prashasti of Samudragupta. Option C, Diopara Prashasti of Vijay Sena. Option D, Hathigumfa inscription of Kharavela. So, Harisena was the 4th century Sanskrit poet in the court of Samudragupta. So, he was famous for his writings of Devi Chandraguptam. Okay, he composed Devi Chandraguptam, and he also composed Prayaga Prashasti. Okay, Prayaga Prashasti is also called the Allahabad pillar inscription, which praises Samudragupta. Okay, so option B is a correct answer. So Prayaga Prashasti of Samudragupta was composed by Harisena. Now, second question is, consider the following events: establishment of Planning Commission, formation of National Development Council, approval of the first 5-year plan by National Development Council, and the fourth one is constitution of National Planning Commission. So here, this National Planning Commission was constituted in the year 1938, remember, and we know first 5-year plan took place between 1951. Okay, in the year 1951, first 5-year plan took place, and Planning Commission was established in the year 1950. Okay, so the most earliest one is fourth one. So look at the options over here. So 4 and next 1, next is 2, and next is 3. So first Planning Commission was constituted, next Planning Commission was established, next National Development Council was formed, and then first 5-year plan was approved. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the third question, which one of the following battles could be seen as laying the formal foundation of British Raj in India? So option A, Third Battle of Panipat. Option B, Battle of Plassey. Option C, Battle of Buxar. Option D, Revolt of 1857. So here, this Third Battle of Panipat took place in the year 1761. Okay, Battle of Plassey in the year 1757. Battle of Buxar was in the year 1764, and this third battle of Panipat took place between Maratha Empire and Mughal army, and Battle of Plassey marked the beginning of British rule in India. Okay, and next, this Battle of Buxar established control of British in India, and next, this revolt of 1857 abolished rule of East India Company by introducing Government of India Act 1858. Okay, so as this laid the beginning of British rule in India, option B will be the correct answer. What is the significance of Buxar battle? It established British control. Okay, and here revolt of 1857 abolished the rule of East India Company. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Now coming to the fourth question, where in South India did the British East India Company construct a trading post in 1639? So option A, Kudalur. Option B, Madrasapatnam. Option C, Kalahasti. Option D, Karwar. So the correct answer is Madrasapatnam. Okay, the British constructed a trading post in Madrasapatnam, and this was the first in South India. Now the fifth question is, which one of the following statements is or are correct? First one is, the Dutch East India Company was formed after the formation of British East India Company. The second is, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in the year 1498. Now we have to choose a correct answer using the code given below. So option A is 1 only, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. So here This Dutch East India Company was formed in the year 1602. Okay. And the British East India Company was formed in the year 1600. Now read the sentence. The Dutch East India Company was formed after the formation of British East India Company. Is it true? Yes, the first statement is correct. And the next one is Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in the year 1498. This is true. So option C, both 1 and 2 are correct. Now coming to the sixth question. In India, a cultivable land which is left uncultivated for which is left uncultivated. Okay, this is there is a change in this question. Right. In India, a cultivable land which is left uncultivated for more than a year but less than 5 years is labeled as option A, cultivable wasteland, option B, current fallow, option C, other than current fallow, fallow other than current fallow, option D, barren and wasteland. So option C is correct answer, fallow other than current fallow. Now let's look into this cultivable wasteland. Now what is this cultivable wasteland? Cultivable wasteland means the land that has gone more than 5 agricultural years without farming. Current fallow means land which is left without cultivation for 1 or less than 1 year. And fallow means land which normally used for farming and left for a season for its recovery of fertility. Okay, next barren is which is left, that land cannot be cultivated at all. Next is wasteland. Wasteland is the unused area of land that has become barren or overgrown. Option C will be the correct answer. Now coming to the seventh question. The major portion of Great Artesian Basin in Australia is located in option A, Western Australia, option B, Victoria, option C, Queensland, option D, Northern Territory. Now here, this Great Artesian Basin is one of the largest underground water sources in the world and it is in Australia. Okay, so this Great Artesian Basin is like Australia's largest groundwater basin. Okay, so this Great Artesian Basin is located in Queensland. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Now, eighth question. Which of the following statements is or are correct? One is India has one of the longest navigable inland water networks in the world. Second statement is inland waterways presently helps in transporting about 25% of the total cargo movement. Third is about 111 inland ways have been declared as national waterways under the National Waterways Act 2016. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3, option B 1 and 2, C 3 only and D 1 and 3. So here all these statements are correct. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Alright, so ninth question is match the following. So here railway zones and headquarters are given. So we have to choose the correct answer. So here for East Central Railway it is Hajipur. Okay, so 3 will be first will be 3 Hajipur. For Northeastern it is Gorakhpur. Headquarters is Gorakhpur. For Northeastern Frontier the headquarters is Maligaon, which is in Guwahati, and for Northwestern Railways it is Jaipur. Okay, so the correct answer is 3142. Clear? Now 10th question is which one of the following statements about earthquake waves is not correct? So option A, P waves move faster and are the first to arrive at a surface. Option B is P waves can travel through gaseous, liquid, and solid materials. And option C is seismographs beyond 145 degrees from epicenter can record the arrival of P waves. Option D, P waves have maximum area covered under its shadow zone. So the correct answer, all these A, B, and D are correct, but option C is wrong because um, actually the seismograms which are located beyond 145 degrees from epicenter can record the arrival of S waves. Okay, it is not P waves. So option C is the wrong answer. So here we have to choose which is not correct statement. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay. So thank you for watching. We'll do more videos upon this GS practice question so that it will help in writing government exams more easily. Okay, thank you for watching.